Irie friends, welcome back to the channel. So we haven't done an update since I brought the chicks home. A lot have changed and a lot is going to be changing in this video, and I'm also going to go over some things that I have done with the chicks already, some things that I've learned, just kind of document how it's been for the past, today is what, the 20th or the 19th? So for the past 10 days, it's been an amazing time. The girls have really enjoyed having them. They come out here every day. Well, I did have some cushions I'll show you in the front where they'll come out. They'll each have their like little old cushions that they'll kind of kneel on. They'll pick up the birds and they kind of do like an inspection. We've been looking for pasty butts and all that stuff. But within that 10 days, they have grown so much. They're already pushing out their feathers. They're not as small and like fluffy anymore. You could tell like they are growing into chickens. So it's been exciting, and I figured today will be a good time to kind of give you guys an update. I do have to clean out their little area and just kind of give them a little wash. I see that some of their feet is holding on to some poop and stuff, so I do want to get that cleaned off. So we're gonna get that done, add some more feed, and yeah, just kind of talk about what's been happening and all that good stuff. So these are the chicks. We are down to just 8, which I think is a lot more manageable for us. I did start with 16, but that's because I just wanted them to travel a lot better. You know, when you have more chickens traveling together, they could kind of keep themselves warm with the body heat and kind of huddling together. And then I was able to rehome the other 8 actually in the same day. By 5 o'clock, the other 8 were gone. So these are the 8 that we have. I cleaned out their first bedding after about like 5 days, and now it's like the next 5 days. I noticed that they are pooping a lot more, so it is getting pretty crazy. So we are going to be switching them from the paper towels to the pine shavings. The paper towels was put down initially because other surfaces can be a little bit too slippery for them. As baby chicks, they don't have their footing as yet, so it's recommended that you use paper towels for at least a week until they get their footing, and then you could use things like pine shaving. You could see how much poop is down there. It's definitely not as much as it was that first 5 days when I first cleared it out, but they are just eating a lot more for one, and definitely pooping a lot more. So I want to get the paper towel up. I'm going to put that in the compost, just get this all cleaned out a little bit. We stopped using the electrolytes in the water approximately 2 days ago, so we only did 2 refills of that, so 2 packets essentially. You don't want to keep them on that. You know, if there's nothing wrong with them, you shouldn't be kind of giving them the electrolytes. It was just to kind of help them recover through you know, going through the mail and all that traveling stuff. But we're just on regular water right now, and they're doing great. I just have a Amazon box here, and I lined it with paper towel, and I would just take the chicks one by one, kind of check them out for pasty butt, check under their feet, the entire body, just to make sure nothing is sticking to their feathers. So we are going to start with our dear Bumblebee. She is the runt of the litter. You can see her here. She is a golden lace Wyandotte. Look at her. But you could see the feathers starting to come in for her. I don't know if you could tell here a bit. But yeah, this is Bumblebee. Her name started out as Honeybee, but she's now Bumblebee. Just want to make sure I'm holding down the feathers. And I just check to make sure they're all good. So she's good, so I'm going to put her in that box temporarily. This is Rapunzel. You can see she has some maybe poop stuck on her feet. some stuff stuck right here. This is a Delaware chick. This one is Penguina. And she got her name because her feet are more yellow and then the body kind of looks like the colors of a penguin. And she is a Silver Lace Wyandotte. And she seems to be good. Right now I'm trying to pick up Tigress, which is like the fiercest of them all. She looks good as far as her feet. No pasty butt. Nothing really sticking to her feathers or body or anything. And this is a Easter egger. So she looks like this. So fun. Jasmine. And she has some stuff on her feet. No pasty butt. Lee, you want to come? And Leah's gonna do the feet stuff. Maybe put your cushion right there.
Okay.
And then you're going to, they know who you are, baby. You're going to kind of hold them over the water.
Hold her.
Hold her, sorry. And wash her feet. And then you could use this napkin to help rub it off. This is a green queen. Nice and focused on her. And she's the bigger one of the bunch. So obviously she's Beyonce. She has to be the leader. You just check her out. She has some little dryness here. Alright! Oh, she's fierce. Ziggy, out. I'm just gonna use a wet paper towel and just kind of rub on that area a bit. And then we have blue ivy. And I believe, what is blue ivy again? Blue ivy, oh. Blue ivy is a cream leg bar. I have the list of the names down here, pasted on the bin. That's why I'm looking there. So she's a cream leg bar that lays blue eggs. So I thought blue ivy was perfect. She also looks like she could be the child of the green queen. She has some stuff on her footsies. And I just soak that a bit. Sorry. Alright. I think you're good. Okay, and the last one is Raven. And she is a black copper Moran. Look at her. Just beautiful. Alright, let me check it out. Okay, she looks good to go. So we're gonna add her back in there. They're just all huddled. One thing about the paper towel is you could kind of just roll it up together. Ziggy, get out. Ziggy, no. Just roll it up together and that should kind of get rid of that really quickly. And the other thing we're going to do is to just clean out their water and then add more food to their food trough. So I'm going to bring you guys over here and hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Come back in. There you go, Bumblebee. There you go, Rapunzel. There you go, Raven. There you go. Oh, Penguina and her feet. There you go, Penguina. There you go, Beyonce. There you go, Tigress. Jasmine is running. There you go, Jasmine.
Oh my god, they're jumping and flapping.
There you go, Blue Ivy.
You do tigers?
You see that? They're flying.
Yeah. We have like maybe another week.
And Daddy?
We also keep a hand sanitizer back here just to do some cleaning until you get to wash your hands. And then I like keeping my thermometer here too, just to kind of know, since it's getting into the warmer days, when this room is too hot or too cool, because I kind of do the lights like an on and off thing, and this room kind of gets really hot in the summer sometimes, so I just want to make sure that I don't have the light on and it's like too hot. And then I also just watch the chickens. If they're going around just fine, I know I don't need the light. If they start to like really huddle together, I know they're kind of cold, so I just watch all of that stuff to determine when I need to turn on the light. But so far so good. We're getting really big. In another week or two we're gonna get the like playpen situation so I can have more room, and hopefully we get the coop finished pretty soon. But they seem to be happy, and that's what matters. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am dripping sweat right now because it's so hot back here, which is why I love having that thermometer, so I can make sure I'm not overheating the chicks by keeping that heat lamp on. The girls are currently looking for their water slide. It's hot. Anyways, make sure that you are subscribed. We're going to have updates on the shed coop build pretty soon. You don't want to miss that video. And yeah, I hope you're having a cooler day than I am. Continue to Irie up yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.